Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss a question from solving a differential equation which is written over here. X squared dy by dx is equal to 3y plus 2. Here we are going to use the separable method to solve this differential equation. If you have already learned about that, please pause the video and try it in your own. After that, watch the rest of the video. Also, if you haven't learned about the separable method, I have already linked a video in the description, so please watch that first. After that, try to do it in your own. So there are several methods in this question. In this video we are going to discuss the separable method. So when we are considering about the separable method, there are actually two variables, x and y. So we need to take these two variables in these two sides, so that's known as separable. We are going to separate these two variables into two sides. After that, we are going to integrate that and going to get the answer. So let's do that first. So over here we are going to take this x squared and dx in one side as well as y and dy in another side. So over here you can directly make it like this one, because we can just bring this 3y plus 2 over here, which simply is changed like this, 1 over 3y plus 2 into dy. But remember that y cannot be minus 2 by 3. So if you want, you can directly write it like this, minus 2 by 3. Actually we are bringing down over here, so it cannot be 0. After that, I'm going to take this dx, so in this part in the right side, and x squared in the right side, which simply changes like this, 1 over x squared into dx, which we can directly write like this, x not equals to 0. So we have now directly separated this. Sometimes you might have the doubt whether why can't we take this 2 in this side with the x. Yes, you can if it permits. So here you can't directly get like that, this 2 in with this x side. When you are cross multiplying this thing, this 3y plus 2 will automatically come down. So that's the problem. Otherwise you can take that constant value in any side. So the main thing is you need to take the y, the variable part, only in one side and another variable part in that opposite side. Okay, now we have directly came across this. After that, we are going to integrate these two. When we are integrating this part, there is dy, so we are going to integrate this part relative to dy. So 3y plus 2 dy is equals to integration of 1 over x squared dx. So how we are going to differentiate this part? Actually, we knew the exponent of this y is 1, so you can directly write it's going to be ln 3y plus 2. After that, you need to divide it by the coefficient, which is 3. So now we have finished that. After that, we need to integrate this part, 1 over x squared. So remember that it's going to be x to the power minus 2, not 1, x to the power minus 2. So we can directly write it like that. We are going to add 1 x minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So we need to put a constant in any either side. You can put the constant over here or in this side, not a problem. After that, if you simplify this, it's going to be minus 1. So I'm going to write it like this, minus 1 is going to be x to the power minus 1. So I can write it like this. So c is an arbitrary constant, so you need to mark it like that. And here 3y plus 2 over 3. Remember that the answer for that y, we need to solve and get the answer for the y. If you consider about that, the y is going to have an implicit solution, which simply means the y is hiding inside a particular equation or particular form. When it's coming outside, which simply means y is equals to anything. So if you write in that form, you are going to tell it like explicit form, which means the y is showing it out directly. Here it's going to hide inside, so we are going to tell it like implicit form. You can directly change it for explicit form, so it depends on what the question is. If they are only asking to find or solve that differential equation, this is enough. But remember, you need to write it like this, c is equals to arbitrary constant. So I'm going to write it like this. Okay, now we are perfectly finished with this question. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you are new to this expert tutor channel, please don't forget to subscribe it. If you have any doubts, please comment it below. I'm very eager to see your comments. Thank you for watching.